Have you ever wondered what it takes to harvest 100 tons of timber? On this channel, we'll explore the most powerful forestry machines on the planet and experience impressive modern logging technology. Get ready to step into the world of mechanical masters. Logging is like a master chef gliding a knife through a premium cut of meat. The roar of the chainsaw, the razor-sharp blade slicing through a massive cedar trunk. Have you ever witnessed the perfect fusion of raw power and absolute precision? Get ready to see nature's giants fall in mesmerizing cuts. This giant weighs a staggering 9 tons. No wonder it takes an entire team of professionals and heavy machinery to tame it. But will all their efforts be enough to stay in control? Or will they witness a failure beyond their grasp? Stay tuned to find out.
Oh, shit.
The old but mighty Mercedes Unimog takes on its toughest challenge yet, plowing through deep mud. Despite years of hard work, this beast still hauls massive logs with astonishing power. Its four-wheel drive and rugged suspension keep it steady, solidifying its legendary status in the forestry industry. But is age a limitation, or will the Unimog prove it still has what it takes to conquer any terrain? The TigerCat 822 E-Feller Buncher reigns supreme in the frozen forests of Quebec, powered by a TigerCat FPT 280 horsepower engine that delivers massive torque and exceptional fuel efficiency. Its advanced balancing system ensures stability on any terrain, while its powerful felling head can take down multiple trees in seconds. But what truly makes this machine a force to be reckoned with? Let's dive into its incredible power. The ATV Backhoe Mini Excavator is a game-changer in stump removal. Even the toughest stumps don't stand a chance, as its powerful bucket or specialized grapple digs deep, loosening roots with ease. With its ability to maneuver in tight spaces where larger machines struggle, it turns heavy-duty work into a quick and efficient task. But can it take on a massive stump that even bigger machines find challenging? Sure, get ready to witness the unparalleled power of the Ecolog 590D and Kessler 28RH. This dynamic duo will turn forestry work into a refined performance, combining precision and strength, taking productivity to new heights. This is not just a task, it's a powerful dance of dominance. Are you ready to experience the dramatic change? Amidst the dense forest, the Equus 175 trudges forward, dragging a heavy load of timber through the muddy path. The ground is slippery, but under expert control, the tracks grip firmly, keeping the vehicle steady. Every throttle push, every maneuver is precise, guiding the machine through challenges impressively. This is not just the power of the Equus 175, but also the skill of its operator. What difficulties lie ahead on the journey? Stay tuned. Be cautious when felling a tree. Before cutting, it's important to calculate the falling direction. Observe the lean, wind, and surrounding obstacles. Use the correct cutting technique and supportive tools to control the direction in which the tree falls. A small mistake can lead to serious consequences. Don't be complacent. Always prioritize safety. Wow, this tree stump can't stand a chance. The RT-400 roars like a wild beast tearing through everything in its path. Incredible power, unstoppable. Every remaining fragment is proof of its fierce destruction. Do you feel overwhelmed like I do? This machine is the pinnacle of the forestry industry. Always calculate the falling direction of the branch before sawing. Don't let a moment of carelessness lead to an unfortunate accident. Oh wow, do you see that? The car is slowly driving out of the forest like a giant creature stepping out of the darkness. Just within a few seconds, the TRX PT-10 combined with the Dennis SF cutting head turns a tree trunk into sawdust like magic. This is the power of modern technology, fast and surprisingly precise. Are you looking for a powerful and efficient solution for wood waste processing? Don't miss the Dirch HD9. With an engine of 275 to 300 horsepower, it can easily handle even heavy wood waste, from large branches to tough tree roots. And if you want a machine that can get the job done quickly and reliably, the TRX PT-10 combined with the Dennis SF cutting head is the perfect choice. Within seconds, it turns a large tree trunk into sawdust. Isn't that amazing? I definitely wouldn't hire this guy if I needed to cut down a tree. This tool is the worst nightmare for tree stumps. Just look at the pivot point, where the real magic happens. With its powerful leverage, it easily pulls the stump out of the ground, and those sharp edges cut through the roots like slicing through butter. If you have a land clearing job, look no further. This is the tool you need. Can it get the job done? Let's watch and find out. Have you ever looked at a large ancient tree and wondered what secrets it's hiding? Sometimes those secrets aren't always pleasant, but fortunately, we have amazing experts always ready to ensure that these towering trees are brought down safely without harming the surrounding environment. It's a combination of knowledge, skill, and responsibility, bringing peace of mind to all of us. Hockey Pilka Easy 50 is a heavy-duty firewood processor designed for superior performance. With a splitting force of 35 tons, it can handle logs up to 60 centimeters in diameter. The machine supports two power options, PTO and electric, enhancing flexibility in various work environments. Its advanced splitting wedge system and dust removal mechanism improve efficiency and ensure maximum safety, making it an ideal choice for industry professionals. Just say that trees have their own way of making the world come alive. They change their leaves with the seasons, sway in the wind, sometimes whispering stories, sometimes rustling mysteriously, always bringing unexpected moments. Isn't that a part of nature's vitality?
It's going, it's going, it's going!
And here it is. A compact yet powerful log splitter. Equipped with a durable brushed motor and a sharp splitting blade, it swiftly and effortlessly splits firewood. With just a simple operation, the wood is neatly split in an instant. Efficient, convenient, and indispensable for anyone needing quick wood processing. When navigating through swampy and rugged areas, the Valmet 8301 is a reliable companion. With the ability to handle up to 9 tons, this machine is designed to deliver optimal performance even in the harshest conditions. The outstanding power of the Valmet 8301 easily overcomes muddy terrains, ensuring that heavy tasks are completed quickly and efficiently, making it an excellent choice for challenging missions. Who would have thought that witnessing trees being felled and cut could be so captivating? Yet here I am in Opau Rambach, completely mesmerized by the entire process. This guy, Mueller, has a special saw called Fram, and in no time, it slices through massive logs. The loud noise, the scent of fresh wood, and the powerful force all seem to blend together, creating a perfect combination of destruction and creation. This man, with a bit of skill and an understanding of mechanics, has used a car tire, a cable, and a winch to create a powerful pulling force, helping to uproot the tree stump. Instead of using heavy tools, he combined available materials to work efficiently. A great testament to creativity and talent in problem solving. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and let me know what you'd like to see built next in the comments below. Until next time, keep building, keep creating, and always push your limits.